this lecture, I'm going to summarize all the things that I have told you in macro creation inside Excel sheet. So let us get started with that. So you know now that how you can enable this developer tab if it is not visible. You just need to right click over the ribbon area and then go to customize the ribbon. Then you need to enable this option over here by checking this box, the developer box over here inside the main tabs, and then click OK over here. And here you can, on clicking this Visual Basic or Alt F11 will open the Visual Basic coding environment for you. Then there are macros. It will enable you to write a new name for macro, then run, edit, and create that, and define the scope for this macro. Then you have this record macro feature, which is also available over here. Like on clicking this, it will start recording the macro. You can name the macro, define the scope where you want to store the macro in this workbook or new workbook or whatever it is, and you can then click OK, and it has started recording. You can see it now over here, that stop symbol has appeared. That means recording has started. And we can go to home, then color this area, then color this area, and write something over here, and then again go over here and click stop, and the recording of macro is complete. To view the macro, you can again go to developer tab, or you can go to view tab, wherein you can see macros button over here. Then click this, then say view macros, then view macro 1 has been recorded. Then you can run it or edit it. So you can edit it, and then you can see this code appearing inside the Visual Basic environment, and the complete code is written over here. Then we saw what is the range object, which is range g8.select will select the g8 cell. Then this type of coding will generate a fill pattern inside the particular selected cell, that is this, for now it is j10 cell. Active cell dot formula r1c1 equal to 10 would assign the value of 10 to the selected cell, that is g8 cell right now. You also saw that we also saw that we can use active sheet dot cells, and then you write the matrix number what you have, that is the 10,10 cell, and then you need to do either select or value equal to something something, say 100. Then it will assign this cell 100 value. So let's see how it goes. I'll add one more line over here, then you can just play this line, and yes, it is able to do 10,10 cell to be 100. So in this way you can learn more about coding. Even if you do not know what coding is in VB, you can just get started by recording the macros and learning the code by seeing it basically. So sub is the any subroutine procedure. So you need to have sub, then your macro name, and then you have this end sub option always inside a macro. Here is the debug environment, debug tools available for VB, which is step into, then step over, step out. Then you have this toggle breakpoint. So you can have a breakpoint over here. Like if you click over here, left click once, then you can stop the macro run over here and wait to see how things have happened till now. And if you want to remove this breakpoint, then just left click again and it will go away. So you have this play, pause, and stop options, that is the reset options for the running the code basically. And you can have save option. So if you click save now, it will say that you need to enable it as a macro enabled workbook. So Excel macro enabled workbook you need to use, and then you can have book one over here, and then click save. So now book one dot xslm is the extension for the macro stored workbooks. So you need to keep that in mind, that you select xslm xlsm extended storage format. Uh, so this was a basic overview of how you can code using macros. So thanks for watching this video.